Right, so we're back in the garage with the UZ70. Trying out the new camera today. Don't know if it's going to be any better or any worse, but it's a lot easier to use than my phone, so might as well just use that. Anything else interesting happen?
I flared a thing.
You flared it?
Yeah, just flared the end because it was a bit too long.
So that's for brake shit, is it?
That's for the clutch master, the reverse pedal box that I made out of a hydro handbrake.
Out of a hydro handbrake.
Battery K70 pedal box, and then yeah.
Poured something up.
Welded some shit to some shit, and
made some other shit.
Now it works. Yeah, well, it will work. Hopefully.
That's all good.
Just have to run a remote reservoir, because if I put one on there, it hits the dash.
Yeah.
I won't be able to run a speedo cable and stuff like that.
It's hard threading. Ooh, doesn't look very straight.
Oh, it's just, yeah.
Some crap stuck in the thread, maybe?
As long as it's not cross-threaded, because it's alloy, and that would be a pain in the ass.
Yeah. So motor's still just chilling on the ground. Set to do the hole in the bell housing. That. Not much happening tonight, just a quick little video. Hope not. Just ream it in there and hope for the best.
Just worried about it sealing on the bottom. That up into there. And I fill it through the vent because there's no heater or anything.
Fill it through the vent.
Yeah. Just
That'll work.
a syringe thing with a tube on it.
Yeah.
But no, not a whole lot happening tonight. Just sort of do something on it, seeing as I'm home.
Yeah. Oh, you got it.
Put the gearbox back on.
Oh no, the vice grips.
The thread's pretty buggered on it. I'm going to get some new nuts for it anyway. Make new lines.
Yeah.
17. I'd say that's why they've been twisted up like that in the first place. Nah, she's getting cut.
Stop it.
Yeah.
Oh no, the end's grinder. Wow, that works pretty well.
Burning brake fluid.
Smells great.
Smell of dreams.
Smell of dreams.
Clutch line.
Clutch line.
Yeah. Oh, that'll be good for the paint. So I don't want to paint that guard.
You have to respray this guard though.
Yeah.
Someone drew on it.
Yes, thank you, Nick Kensington. That was on his sedan that's currently being made into a turbo 4H drifter.
Nice.
Yeah, that'd be pretty sweet when it's done. A bit wide at the moment, I think. Yeah. There's some pretty sweet Corollas popping up at the moment.
Yeah.
Yeah. Johnny Rolton's twin charged. yeah, Nick's 2x4 edge. Nick McClay's 3T GTE, good big sharp mouth on the side of it.
I've seen that though.
Yeah.
I think it's cool.
Yeah, it is. Kind of makes me wish I had kept my 3T GTE, but
It's so dirty.
it is. It's great.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I think he gets his license back soon.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he drifted the Timaru Port oval, like circle.
Oh, I know that.
Riders.
I know that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, 3 times I think.
Wow.
Yeah, it was pretty impressive for a dirty on 3T.
Yeah.
But yeah, now there's some stuff in the woodwork which is pretty exciting.
Yeah.
Oh, I suppose I'd better try to take that master songs out.
Not a fun job.
Procrastinating.
Yeah, you don't really want to do it. There's always those jobs where you're just like, oh fuck that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is more of the fact that it's like under the dash now, and
It's a cunt to get to.
you have to stand on your head to get to it, and hopefully. But then, if I remember rightly, also the wee nuts that they tack to the back of it, so that you don't have to have a spanner on the back of it.
Hopefully.
I'm pretty sure those have come off as well. Yeah, no, that's not good. Say it was 6 mil. That's why I wasn't so keen on pulling it out, because
Hopefully the nuts are tacked on the back of it.
I'm pretty sure they're not. No, they're not.
Fuck.
It's alright. I do like the little ball on the end of these Allen keys,
Yeah.
because you can get to
Shitty spaces.
spots like this.
The angle.
Oh yeah. Fuck. It's not a 10 mil. Always losing the 10 mil.
Always losing the 10 mil.
It was in the toolbox for once.
Oh shit. Most 10 mils end up in like Mars or.
Down warp continuum.
Yeah. That's.
It's a really, really long bolt too.
The face of determination.
The face of the door jamb digging into my back.
Yeah, fuck that. I can see why you procrastinated.
It's a really long bolt. I might cut that down. We'll find a shorter one. And it's got a nylock on the back of it.
Nylock.
Yeah. My dad's been off work at the moment. A piece of metal like that around the windscreen. What was the back window? Him and his wife were putting the back window in his Mark 114er, and he stood up and smacked the top of his head on that piece of steel, and he's got like a Dorito sized chunk out of the top of his head now.
Oh.
It's healing, but yeah, it gave him concussion and stuff.
Fuck.
Yeah.
I hope he gets better soon.
Yeah, he's happy because he gets to tinker in the shed.
With a sore head.
Yeah.
I heard a nut drop.
Yes. boot thing. Come on, give me a break.
There we go.
Neat.
Neat.
It has started to cross thread, but hopefully I can run a wee screwdriver around in there and get rid of the bird over threads, and now that it's out, actually get it straight. I don't know.
Are you going to thread it in there before you put it back in?
Yes.
Yes. That's the quickest yes I've ever heard in my life.
Yeah. When and saw Lego Batman on Friday night.
You are?
When and saw Lego Batman on Friday night.
Lego Batman.
Yeah.
How was it?
Dare I say it? It's probably gonna cause a few comments and stuff, but I enjoyed it more than Fast 8.
Yeah. I'm kind of with you on that. Fast 8 was good as a movie by itself, but to tie into all the other movies, it's kind of a bit weird.
They'd be silly to do another one.
They will. They're doing 2 more.
Are they?
Yeah, they've confirmed 2 more. The next one I think is about Paul Walker's brother going in.
Oh.
Or son or something.
I had kind of hoped they did a spin-off that was Paul Walker's son. Like,
Yeah.
Paul's son and Dom's son.
Yeah.
But,
Dom's son's like 1 year old.
yeah.
Not real young. So they'd have to do it like, 20 years in the future.
When everyone's driving hotted up hybrids and...
Yeah. Like slammed Priuses. Teslas and shit.
Starts life.
That's what you're all about, isn't it, Kev?
Yeah.
You love being low. You installed some hard race shit so you could go lower.
I did. Back when I had my first sedan, it had cut springs in it and I failed a warrant and whatnot. So I went and brought some more lowering springs, and then I cut 2.5 coils off the lowering springs because it wasn't low enough.
Of course.
And then I failed a warrant again later on them not being captive, and the warrant guy told me to go put a piece of garden hose on each end of the spring to help hold them in place, and then yeah, I got more warrant.
So anyone out there that's failed off on cutties,
It was like just enough to wiggle them round, so put the garden hose on each end and it stopped them from moving.
that's all that mattered. It's not threading in there very nice, is it?
No, I'd say it was the thread. It's straight.
So just going to ream it in there?
Probably just the thread, yeah. Being good at the start.
Probably won't leak.
I hope not, because it will go all over my foot otherwise.
Yeah.
I would run a factory TE one in pedal box, but there's no room.
Because you've cut your tunnel.
Yes.
That's alright though.
Yeah, the Fellas Network. If you guys enjoy these magnificent beasts, old Corollas, go give them a look at. They're over in Australia, but
They got some cool cars, man.
yeah,
They're all so clean.
Yeah, I'm kind of jealous of them really, because they can go pick up a real clean Corolla for like nothing, like well, compared to over here.
Yeah.
They're like nearly rust free. Oh, I just need to file it's over there.
Yeah.
Well, they seem rust free. Like this is an Australian import, so it's like, and I found one speck of rust in the back window.
It's insane. Like over there, they don't have like any rust in their Corollas.
Yeah, you can pick up like a real clean, tidy 4K Corolla for like $3,000, and it's like,
Yeah.
it's like full nano spec, you know, it's like, oh man, alright. You know, that's a $7,000 car over here, like.
Yeah. But yeah, they've been watching these videos.
Yeah, which is kind of cool. Kind of, it gives a bit of a boost when you, know that people, other countries are watching them.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm making the hole bigger to fit. These are sway bar link bushes, just to put on the bottom of the radiator.
Bottom of the R32 radiator and the Corolla with the 1UZ and Nissan suspension and brakes and
Hilux differential.
Hilux stuff.
Super gearbox and yeah.
That's what New Zealand's pretty well known for, just mismatching lots and lots of cars because we get so many imported cars.
Yeah. Yeah. And K-Dub seats, you know.
Yeah.
Mate Ben loves them. But I got a pretty sure I cross-threaded a bolt in the steering rack too. I meant to get in one of these holes here.
Oh yeah.
So
drill it out, chuck a bolt underneath it and weld it?
No, I'll just run a tap through it.
Oh yeah.
Something I meant to grab while I was at Dad's the other day. Yeah. But just forget these things. It's probably nowhere near what it needs to be. No.
Yeah, shout out to the Fellas Network anyway. You guys seem like pretty humble guys if you're ever in New Zealand.
Yeah.
We'll do some Corolla shit.
Come over, I'll let you drive my car. And yeah. It's a lot easier for us to put V8s into our Corollas than it would be for you guys. I know there's a lot of loopholes you guys have got to get through and stuff just to get a 4Age in there. A lot of, you've got to get your car engineered and stuff like that. And, yeah. And
there's a lot we can really get away with in New Zealand.
oh yeah, like
nothing compared to the States, but like the shit you can do here is all.
I reckon the States is borderline. Well, it's dangerous.
The whole no certification thing.
Yeah, just
No warrant.
yeah, like some of the things you see, like that's like I love that Roadkill
Yeah, Roadkill's fucking mad.
series there.
They couldn't do anything like that in New Zealand.
No, you couldn't. That's like the Mighty Car Mods were with them, and they're like, "This is mad!" Like, and we're driving this stuff on the street.
Yeah.
Like, have you been watching the Mirror build, the 4-wheel drive?
Fuck yeah.
Yeah. That cracks me up.
That's so cool. And they're having to change the floor because it's not the same and all that.
Yeah, I was watching them cut some bits out, and I'm like, this is painful to watch because I see that stuff at work every day, and it's like, like,
It's all going to be worth it though.
there's not really a wrong way of doing it, but
They just cut it. They're just drilling out spot welds and shit
yeah,
and cutting up rust.
I did that on this. I put the radiator support on this. I unspotted it off of another car.
Did you?
Yeah, because this car's an 82,
Oh, yeah.
and that radiator support's off of a 1980.
Oh, yeah.
That's because it's twin headlight radiator support. So, yeah, I did the notch in the tunnel and
Yep.
the gearbox and the firewall and the radiator support in 3 days over Waitangi weekend.
Yep, that's the custom trans tunnel there. To fit the Supra box.
Yeah, just a W series box, but they came out mostly in the Supras. They came out in like turbo Carinas and stuff like that as well. But they come out behind 3T GTEs from factory too. They never, even though they're a T series engine, they never ran a T series gearbox.
Yeah.
Well, the turbo ones didn't. Just wondering if I have anything else that might fit that better. 5 times a day at work.
What song do you have stuck in your head?
I don't know the name of it. I don't sing.
Just sing. Might as well.
Oh, it's something about going on about options and can you get some of my love or something, get some of your love or something. My FM.
Oh yeah.
Oh
I just hate radio in general. Because they play the same shit like 4 or 5 times a day.
Yeah, that was getting a bit of a joke.
Doing like vlog style kind of shit on this is really weird because like look how close it is. It's like way too close.
It's all up in your face skin.
All up in my face. It's just this camera was cheap, so I picked it up because it was on Trade Me for like $170. I'm like, I'm not turning that down. It does the job. It's easier than using my phone, which I've been using the past the whole time I've had my channel, which is just that. It's just Samsung piece of crap. It does pretty good video though. But I think it's about time we upgraded. I'm getting another camera in the next couple of months, like a proper DSLR, so look out for that. That's going to be real good. I'm looking at like a couple of different ones, just ones with the whole flip screen thing, make it a bit easier to video. But yeah, bit of money for one of those, so I'm just saving up for that at the moment.
I made the mistake of putting the lock. The front door locks are out of that.
Out of this.
And then the boot lock came out of the passenger door, but it fits in the boot lid, but the arm doesn't fit, so I took the arm off because I had this, and then before I put this in, the boot got shut. So yeah, there's a minor technicality on my part. This factory boot popper and fuel flat popper.
No. Shouldn't be any reason why you can't use those.
No, everything's there for it. Just goes down the seat like normal. Creeps through there. And then here's the bolt.
No, it just sits in like that.
I'm not having much luck with bolts tonight.
No.
There we go. That one's got the tapered.
Got one to fit.
Start on it.
It's a clean thread. Holy shit. Now you got to run those to the back.
Yeah, one's for the fuel flap and one's for the boot. The fuel flap one, I have to weld a tab and stuff on it to actually get it to work properly. But I've done that before. I did it on Shane's one. That was a trial one. It's not quite
Yeah.
right. I'll probably redo that at some point, repaint it. Yeah.
What I feel like we've achieved.
More than I have recently.
Well, the boot now opens.
Boot now opens. I cross-threaded some stuff again. Focusing on running gear for a while, and then a bit of body work. Waiting on engine mounts, that's the biggest thing. Once the engine mounts are here, then
We can chuck that motor back in.
oh yeah, get that in, get the drive shaft done.
So that'll be quite a big video.
Yeah, and then I can start doing the wiring for like forever home and yeah, piping and
Exhaust and yeah.
basically everything else that it needs to be a functioning car. But yeah, good things take time, that's what they say.
Also, check out the Fellas Network. I'll put them down in the description. They seem to like these UZ70 videos.
And tell your friends,
Yeah, tell all your friends.
like, share, subscribe.
That's the one. Hit up Kev on Instagram.
Instagram, Facebook.
Tell him you love him. Send him dick pics, all that shit.
You know what I like. Yeah. No, any Corollas.
Yeah, if you have any questions to ask about this swap, don't be afraid to hit him up. He's a humble character. He's fine.
Yeah, I know a thing or two.
So if you have any questions about Corollas in general, just flick a message on Instagram. Flick me a message on Instagram.
Either me or my flatmate.
Yeah.
Probably be able to help you out. Yeah, it's for the cause.
We'll catch you guys later.